Good afternoon everyone. Myself Tanushree.
Myself Narasamma.
We are from 10th standard. Today we are here to show an experiment how to separate salt and sand. We all know that salt will get from ocean by various processes like separation, filtration, etc. So the required things for our experiments are
Take a beaker. First take a beaker in a salt and a sand. So first let's mix a sand with salt. Now let's pour the water. So now first let's mix now.
now mix it well.
Now this is sand plus water, sand plus salt plus water. So now already we have poured the salt, we have mixed the salt inside this solution. So now we have to separate the salt. So let's the required metals
First take a funnel and fix it with a filter paper and fix it in a stand. And next we should turn on the burner. Place a china dish underneath of the funnel and pour the solution to it. Pour solution to it.
So now we can see the sand is separated and only we can see the salt water. So now by this
the salt is filtered and the china dish is collecting the water.
we need to take all the sand, we had to separate full sand and water. So after that the evaporation process will happen. After evaporation process the continuous heating will be happening. After all the water will be getting vaporized and finally the salt will be formed.
Now you can observe that salt is getting here. You can observe that salt is here. We can get the salt, and by continuously heating this process, we get the salt. By this experiment, we can understand how to separate salt and sand.
Slowly the process will be happening. All the water will get vaporized and finally the salt will be formed by vaporization method.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Final explanation final explanation
It matrana. Now again told him that.
Now after separating the sand from salt water, all the salt water will be getting the vapor, it will go out of vaporization and evaporation process will be happening and finally the salt will be formed.